coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So the guys, we are discussing about the variables in Python. So first of all, see the definition. Here, a variable is a name that refers to the value stored in a language. Yes, with that I will explain. Here, let's take two examples. So first example is a equal to 10. So here a is the variable because 10 is stored in a. So that 10 is stored in a. And here are b is the variable because 20 is stored in b. So here we are the variables because 10 and 20 values are which is stored in a comma b. So a and b are variables. Some rules, that is it starts only with alphabets and underscore, and it does not starts with numbers and other special characters. Where it is case sensitive means that here name is there to different type of variables because here n is capital, here n is small. So these are two are different in Python. So this is only case sensitive. And by based on these rules, here is the few examples. So this is starts with alphabet, yes, this is valid. And this starts with number, so it is invalid. And this starts with math, valid, 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 valid. Yes, these only invalid because here it starts with number. So all are starts with underscore and alphabet. So those are valid. Welcome back, guys. Now the theory part was completed. Now let's do a coding part. So first of all, I created the variables with the something. So I will enter the addition of my numbers. So if the run numbers certificated and 30. So the advantage of the variables is that now I want to change the value of a. So I will write this a equal to again a and 100. Now tell me the what is the answer. Just pause the video and comment the answer. Now the answer is 120. Right? Because I will change a value 10 to 100. So this is the variable. So it is varying from 10 to 100. So first I will assign a equal to 10 and next a equal to 100. So we'll change the value, we'll update the value. This is the simple example. So now this is the level. So I will take as from the user input, user and I will take it as the same input to the. So I will write on same operation but different ways. Some is replacement. So that's it. So you're asking for input. I will same number same and the number. So sum is 30. So this is the use of the variables because it is changing the value. So now it is updated. So again asking 30 172. So sum is 70. So if now you don't understand this, this is the taking input from user using input name, and this is for integers. If you want to take some words or strings, you can take like this. I will just show the conversion. Let's just keep the the so it so so and the strings. So I will tell after is somebody else turns will. So I will tell it A and your nick is right B. Yeah. Yes, what happened? Right. Two factors. Yeah, the one is D and the one is bias. So here Sigma is stored in A and bytes is stored in A. So this like where this is in program language. So that's all guys. See you in next video. Please subscribe and like, share.